a revolutionary duo transforming the landscape of agriculture: artificial intelligence, AI, and drones. Gone are the days of traditional farming methods. Instead, we are witnessing a paradigm shift towards precision agriculture, thanks to these cutting-edge technologies. So, let's dive deep into the role of AI and drones in modern agriculture and uncover how they're revolutionizing farming practices worldwide. Artificial intelligence has empowered farmers with unprecedented insights into their fields. Through advanced algorithms and machine learning models, AI processes vast amounts of data collected from sensors, satellites, and drones. This data helps farmers make informed decisions regarding crop health, irrigation, fertilization, and pest management. By precisely analyzing factors like soil moisture, nutrient levels, and weather patterns, AI optimizes resource allocation, resulting in higher yields and reduced environmental impact. Drones, equipped with high-resolution cameras and sensors, offer a bird's-eye view of farmland like never before. These unmanned aerial vehicles can swiftly cover vast areas, capturing detailed imagery of crops at different growth stages. With this imagery, farmers can detect early signs of disease, nutrient deficiencies, or water stress, allowing for timely interventions. Drones also facilitate the creation of detailed 3D maps, enabling farmers to identify variations in soil composition and plan accordingly. Additionally, drones can be deployed for precise pesticide application, minimizing waste and safeguarding environmental health. AI-powered analytics coupled with drone imagery revolutionize crop monitoring and management. By leveraging machine learning algorithms, AI can detect subtle anomalies in crop health, such as nutrient deficiencies or pest infestations, often invisible to the naked eye. This early detection enables proactive measures, such as targeted spraying or localized treatment, preventing widespread damage and maximizing yields. Moreover, AI continuously learns from data, refining its predictions and recommendations over time, further optimizing agricultural practices. In conclusion, the integration of artificial intelligence and drone technology marks a significant leap forward in modern agriculture. Hope you liked this video.